Okay, so our topic for today is about probability of simple events. So a simple event is an event where all possible outcomes are equally to occur. So parehas lang yung chance nilang mangyari or lumabas. So the probability of simple events will have all possible outcomes equally likely to happen or occur. For example, if we're going to toss a coin, pag mag-flip tayo ng coin, dalawa lang yung posibleng choices nun na lumabas. Pwedeng heads, pwedeng tails. So, the probability of heads or tails is equal. Kasi meron tayong isang head at isang tail lang. So, pwedeng si head ang lumabas or pwedeng si tail. Similarly, when you roll a die, so alam naman natin na yung die ay merong 6 faces or 6 numbers, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So meron tayong number from 1 to 6. And the chance of any one of these 6 numbers, so ang chance nitong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ay equal sa isa't isa. So, equal yung chance nila na lumabas kasi walang nadubling number dito. Yung 1 ay isa lang, yung 2 ay isa rin lang, 3, 4, 5, at 6 ay tig-isa rin lang. So, pare-parehas yung chance nila na lumabas. Okay?